Welcome to Mount River Farm, and today I'm going to tell you how to grow lovely dahlias in your backyard or in your garden with these 10 tips. Also, dahlias are of different color, height, and varieties. Dahlias can be grown in hardiness zone 3 to 10, and they are considered perennials in zone 8 to 10, and rest of the zones they are grown as annuals. All right, now tip number 1, season. Best time to plant dahlia is the spring season. So you can plant dahlia tubers or the bulbs just after the last frost. Number 2, location. So choose the sunny location for dahlias where they can get at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. Number 3 is the well-draining soil. Number 4, pH 6 to 7 or amend with the compost. Number 5 is how to plant the bulb. So you can see this is the dahlia's eye, the tuber eyes. You should look for it, and that should be facing upward. So plant nicely. First you locate where is the dahlia tuber's eye, and then rest of the fat bulb, all those things should go inside the ground. So you can see, and that's the dahlia's eye, and you can see some roots, and that's the tuber that should be facing upward. And now you know where's the root, where's the eye, and where's the bulb. Number 6, plant dahlia bulbs 5 inches deep and 20 inches apart from the other bulbs. And once you place all the bulbs nicely, just make sure that the tuber eye should be upward, and then place it nicely in the hole, and then cover it with the same native soil. Dahlias bloom from summer to fall, and we planted our dahlia tubers in April, and from June we saw leaves shooted out, and flowers we saw in late June. And once you'll cover the bulb with the soil, you can water once, and do not water until you will see the shoots are coming out. And you can see how we got the bulbs. We got our bulbs this way, and that was inside this packet. So tip number 7, water once you will see the shoots are out. Number 8, staking. So you can put the stakes for each dahlias because they grow really tall, 39 to 40 inches, maybe 45 inches tall, depending on the varieties. Number 9, pinch the top leaves of dahlias before flowering to make your dahlias more bushier, and you can see more flowers in each plant. And tip number 10, how to control the weed, is mulch your dahlias. Just put some mulch around dahlias to stop the weed. Thank you. Like and subscribe our channel, and watch some more videos on planting tips on our channel, Mount River Farm. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.